So in this Freecash tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to share your referral link with friends here on Freecash. So once Freecash is opened up, I want you guys to go to the bottom right to where it says rewards. Once you guys are here on the rewards page right here in the top right, it says invite friends. Simply go ahead and select that. Once you're on this page right here, you can scroll down to where it says freecash.com, and it is your referral link right there. Now, if you were to go ahead and press on share link right here, you can then copy this link and share it with a bunch of different people. You can also edit the link right here if you want to change it to maybe a custom link. You can press edit, but regardless, you can use this link, copy it, send it to friends, and if they sign up using, using Freecash, you can see how it works right here. So share your unique link. First 3 friends who joined before time runs out will get you a random reward of up to $133.33, and your friends will get $10 too. So you can go ahead, view the full terms if you want, but if you can share your link and people sign up, you can earn money just by sharing your link and spreading the word here. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but that's how to share your referral link with friends on Freecash. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.